The technology tool that I chose was WriteAbout. This safe writing community, built by teachers, enables students to build better writing and digital citizenship skills. Signing up for WriteAbout was a painless process. After entering my personal information, I was able to create a platform to interact with my students. In this platform, I could see the ideas pinned for students and a post section. Here are the features provided with this tool. There's high interest content, which includes a variety of prompts. These prompts can be found in exploring ideas. As you can see, you can change the genre and the grade. There are many other tools associated with this as well. As shown, you can have strong writing communities that enable teachers to moderate their students' work. You can have students write about things that inspire them, and you can collaborate worldwide with other classrooms, which helps expose your students to various perspectives. There are many triple E strategies included in this tool. I believe that students are engaged because they're able to navigate this tool to elicit prompts in which they find interest and can share among peers, the instructor, and even other classrooms. Students are encouraged to explore their own creative thinking processes to meet intended learning goals. It also includes enhancement because the technology here provides a different and valuable aspect than is obtained in the classroom. This gives students the opportunity to explore and personalize their ideas and prompts. Lastly, it includes extension because it promotes a real-world connection by allowing students to communicate among classrooms worldwide. They're able to discuss ideas, engage in authentic discourse, interrogate and investigate others' projects and works while reflecting on their own. My specific lesson plan using this tool is having students respond to literature. In this response, they will address central questions of theme and symbolism that relate to previous lessons discussed. Attached to this prompt are basic descriptions of the terms theme and symbolism. These are provided here. I made a post with a passage from the novel of Mice and Men and prompted students with reflection questions in which they must write a minimum of 250 words to. What are the themes in the story and how do they relate to the plot and characters? And can you think of any symbols that represent one of the themes discussed? Included is also a sample reflection for them to refer to. After students write their posts, they will have the opportunity to see others within the classroom and reply with feedback. I can even make this post public to other classrooms so we can communicate more effectively on a wider scale. After this assignment, they are instructed to reply once more to a comment submitted on their own work. All the information needed to carry out this lesson is prior knowledge of the book of Mice and Men, background knowledge on theme and symbolism, and basic know-how of the application. The materials needed include the book and access to WriteAbout. The instructional strategies incorporated in this include traits of engagement, enhancement, and extension. My engagement strategies include eliciting prior knowledge and modeling thinking. This is because students must reflect upon their prior knowledge of the book of Mice and Men in relation to the topics. An enhancement strategy used is self-reflective practices. This is because students are required to reply to others' feedback on their work and revisit it for improvement. Extension strategies include engaging students in authentic discourse with others and connecting with authentic experts. Students are supposed to engage in discussion with this post to help support their learning and are free to communicate with their instructor.